Filling out a deposit form is a straightforward process that allows you to safely and securely add funds to your bank account. Here are the essential steps to complete a deposit form. 1. Header information. Start by providing your personal details, including your full name, account number, and contact information. This information ensures that the deposit is credited to the correct account. 2. Date. Write down the current date on the form to record when the deposit is made. 3. Deposit amount. Clearly state the amount you wish to deposit. Be careful to write the amount accurately in both numbers and words to avoid any discrepancies. 4. Currency. Specify the currency in which you are making the deposit, especially if your account supports multiple currencies. 5. Type of deposit. Indicate the type of deposit you are making, whether it's a cash deposit, check, money order, or other forms of payment. 6. Bank details. If you are depositing a check, provide information about the check, such as the check number and the name of the bank on which it is drawn. 7. Endorsement. Sign the deposit form. Your signature serves as confirmation that you authorize the deposit. 8. Additional information. If necessary, include any additional information or notes relevant to the deposit. 9. Verification. Review the completed form for accuracy, ensuring that all information is correct before submitting it to the bank. Remember to keep a copy of the filled deposit form for your records. Once you've completed the form, you can submit it to your bank through their designated channels, such as the teller or ATM, depending on your preference and the bank's available options. Depositing funds is an essential part of managing your finances and ensuring that your money is safe and accessible when needed.